Though then we never knew what we were traveling for, we went down by the River Ocho, 30 miles to a place that we had not seen, where the land lies flat and the wind blows keen. It's the prettiest place I've ever been, down by the River Ocho. Well, my dad got a job on the factory floor, down by the River Ocho, where the house raised kids and so much more, down by the River Ocho. It was through the door, through the gate, where there was me, my brother, and a newfound maid under the mother moon, till it got late, we sit down by the River Ocho. I say the river, oh the river, oh the River Ocho, the river ain't never the same. I said I was born by the River Ocho, and the river ain't never for sale. Well, you can make your deals in the dead of night, you can bribe who the bloody hell you like, but I was born by the River Ocho, and the river ain't never for sale. For a week it poured down by the River Ocho, till all you could hear was a pounding roar down by the River Ocho. We tried to save the church with sand and planks, but at a river kept rising till it burst its banks, and a pretty soon that street got sank down by the River Ocho. I said the river, oh the river, oh the River Ocho, the river ain't never the same. I said I was born by the River Ocho, and the river ain't never for sale. Well, you can make your deals in the dead of night, you can bribe who the bloody hell you like, but I was born by the River Ocho, and the river ain't never for sale.
Far from grace of God, where no doctor can relieve me if I'm buried beneath the sod, but the angels won't receive me. Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go down in the mud where it's all dry. This land was always ours, was the proud land of our fathers. It belongs to us and them, not to any of the others. Let them go, boys, let them